Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Vibrant, mesmerizingly beautiful. It's art, it's culture, it's handicraft, it's fort, palace and delectable delicacies of the state Rajasthan is just amazing, and it fascinates people all over the globe. I am out again to try the delectable delicacies of the state and the flavors of Rajasthan, and I am here at 4 Point by Sheraton and here to attend an event, culinary indulgence to celebrate Muhurat at the Jain chapter. Yes, I am here to enjoy the Jain delicacies by the Maharaj, who is directly from Bikaner, and he is the 6th generation Maharaj who is here with all his ancestral knowledge and who is here to treat us, to give us this feast. And he is none other than Maharaj Banwarlal Upadhyay. So I'm sure his delectable delicacies are going to dance on my palate today, and I'm going to give you a virtual tour. So come, let's go. So here we are, guys, and this is the entrance. How colorful, with all safety precautions being taken. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है भैया?
पगड़ी बांध रहे हैं दीदी यहाँ पे।
पगड़ी बांध रहे हो? ओके, सबके?
हाँ, सबके लिए।
लेडीज के भी?
हाँ, सबके लिए लेके गए।
ओके, तो चलो पहले मेरा बांधिए। एक मिनट। So I'll give this to Vipul. Let the mic be with me. Okay.
एक सेकंड, ready?
Am I looking funny?
You're looking good.
I'll just put my
Stand.
mask in.
Yes, stand. I'll take a.
Yeah. Wait, I'll put my mask in. I hope I'm not looking funny
No.
with this up. So all the guests here are trying this Rajasthani tradition. They call it safa. We basically use this for family functions, more oftenly for the weddings. And yeah, it's a lovely. Oh, look at him! Look at him, the way he's tying it up. Oh wow! कितने साल का प्रैक्टिस है भैया आपका?
मेरा जन्म का ये दीदी।
Oh God, lovely. बांधिए, फिर बांधिए। वाह, बहुत खूब। अब यहाँ देख के हंसिए। Yeah. So yes, as you can see, this is the hall where the event was happening, and you can see how humongous it is. It's a huge one. A lot of weddings take place here. This was the photo booth, and we were getting pictures clicked, and they were developing at the same time. So here are the counters. Here they have Italian, Oriental, Rajasthani. Love the decor. And okay, let me show you what all do they have in Rajasthani. So they have bajre ki roti and makka roti. They have Jaipur tawa sabzi, dal bati churma, which is their favorite, and this is it, the churma. Oh God, it's looking so tempting. Kadi pakoda, kheer sangri, which is again their traditional dish. Shahi govind gatta, kakdi hangur ki sabzi. Oh, I've never had this. Papad paneer bikaneri, gatte ka pulav. Yeah, that's again. I've never had that papad wali paneer के साथ यार. So this is Indian, and mirchi ka salan, vegetable biryani, raita, dal makhani, bhindi masala, paneer butter masala. So it's all Jain food, right, today? So all the stalls that you see, friends, the Italian, Oriental, Rajasthani, Indian and South Indian and chaat, it's all Jain. It's all Jain food. Jain variant is what I mean. This was the welcome drink Thandai, and it was yummy, and I had some 3 to 4 glasses, and probably that's why I have a bad throat today while doing a voiceover. Can you show this here? Okay, but it's in selfie mode na. So it's baby corn paneer. Why are you serving any chutney with it?
Not this any
No, with any starter with chutney.
they are not
Mahabalipuram Resort and Convention Center, in association with I Love Wedding, warmly welcomes everyone gathered here this afternoon to Moharram. As one of Chennai's preferred destination for weddings, events and conferences, 4 Points by Sheraton Mahabalipuram Resort and Convention Center always assures you of a memorable stay and remarkable weddings. With 24,500 square feet of convention space and 42,000 square feet of an open air lawn, along with a capacity to accommodate more than 3,500 people with adequate social distancing, elevated and amplified by culinary experts, find everything you need to curate a successful wedding and event experience. Exclusive spread offered by 4 Points by Sheraton Mahabalipuram, crafted by our Maharaj, the 6th generation Maharaj hailing from the city of Bikaner in Rajasthan. Maharaj brings with him rich experience, tradition, culture and ancestral knowledge that he channelizes into every culinary creation. Having mastered over 1,000 weddings in India, his curations truly are unique. Our chief guest of the day, Mr. Arun Suresh sir, the MD of 4 Points by Sheraton Mahabalipuram. Also Yashika Anand to please come forward and lamp the lighting. Please.
We're going to start eating, and I have pav bhaji, mogar kachoris and dal pakwan. Just give a closer look.
Okay, I'll take food and come back again.
Yeah, sure.
Here, and you are not going to tell us about it until you're blindfolded.
गजर तो लगाना ही भूल गया हूँ। पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
तो क्या आप हमें बताएंगे कि डेजर्ट कहाँ से ओपन होगा और कहाँ? Can we all give a huge round of applause to this beautiful decor and the desert crown? Thank you so much, all of you.
Now this came as a surprise after we finished our lunch, and looking at the variety, we didn't know what to eat and what not. Oh my god, it was a huge and delicious variety of desserts.
Try these out. You can just have a taste.
So the event is done, guys, and I'm done with my lunch too. I wish 4 Point by Sheraton see many more Jain weddings here in the upcoming days. And the food was delicious. I mean, certain things, of course the Marwadi food was the best, and even otherwise the other things, the chaat items, even without onion, garlic, the sabzis were very nicely done. And the best part was, initially we were all very skeptical that how can a Marwadi event have no sweets, no dessert in it, and we did not see a single dessert. There wasn't a single counter organized for the desserts, and we were all kind of a little sad that, you know, they've organized such a good meal and there's no dessert, and suddenly they raised a curtain raiser, and there they had 40 variety of desserts waiting for us behind the screen, and that was the best surprise. And just by looking at all the 40 dessert, I was like completely full. We didn't know what to eat, what to leave, and they had some authentic Marwadi dessert which you will not get anywhere else other than a Marwadi or a Jain wedding or a family function. So I had a lovely time, and thank you so much 4 Point by Sheraton for organizing this event and for letting people know that, you know, Marwadi food is back. I mean, Jain food is organized here in full swing, and as I said, I wish you see many more Jain weddings in the upcoming days, and I wish someone from my family holds a wedding here and I come back here to have your delicacies. And the Maharaj was so humble and he did a great job. So I had a good time overall, and I hope you too see a Jain wedding soon here. I'm sure you will enjoy the food by Maharaj Bavarlal Upadhyay. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. I had a good time and I'm full. And yeah, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you are notified for all my upcoming videos, and do follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you.